Hi, fourth grade. This is your last Shurley English lesson of the school year, your last Shurley English lesson of fourth grade, and we're going to learn about double negatives today. I have put the chart straight from your textbook into this video, and it might be a little hard to see, but don't worry, I'm going to explain it to you. So double negatives. Double means two, negative means not. You have a double negative mistake when you use two negative words in the same sentence. Most negative words begin with the letter N. Other negative words that do not begin with the letter N, but are negative in meaning. There are also some prefixes that give words a negative meaning. Negative words that begin with N are words like neither, not, nobody, no, nowhere, none, no one, never, nothing. Other negative words are words like barely, hardly, scarcely. Negative prefixes are prefixes like dis, non, and un. So if a word ends or begins with any of those prefixes, it's also negative. Okay, you do not want a double negative in your sentence because actually, as you'll see in just a minute, when we have two negatives, when we have a double negative, it actually changes the meaning of the sentence, so you can't do that. I'm going to show you what I mean. If you said, I didn't finish none of my homework, and you're meaning to say you just didn't finish your homework at all, this sentence, I'll underline the two negative words in here, didn't and none. We have a double negative, and it changes the meaning because it makes it sound like you didn't finish none of your homework. Well, that makes it sound like you did finish your homework. So you can't have that. This is wrong. This is a double negative. We can't do that. So how do we fix a sentence that has a double negative? Well, you need to turn one of those negative words into a positive, and then the sentence will work. So we could do it like this. I didn't finish, let's turn none into a positive word, any of my homework. So now it's no longer a negative. It no longer has a double negative, so the sentence is correct. I didn't finish any of my homework. Or we could have said it like this. If we wanted to take out the first negative, didn't, we could say, I finished none of my homework. Do you see how in this sentence as well we only have one negative, so the sentence is correct. We fixed it, we no longer have a double negative. So that's what you're going to have to do if you see a double negative ever. You can't have two negative words in one sentence. Let's practice one more time and then I'll let you do your Google form. I think I can delete this all at once. I can't hardly wait until summer. We have two negative words in there. We have can't and we have hardly. We know that because they're both in this chart up here. We have to fix this because this is a double negative. We can't have a sentence that has two negative words in it. So let's take out the first negative. We can take out can't. We can make it can. We can turn it into a positive word. I can hardly wait until summer. We only have one negative word in that sentence, hardly, so we fixed it. It's no longer a double negative. Or we could have done it like this. I can't, and let's just take out the word hardly. I can't wait until summer. That way we only have one negative word and we fixed it. It's correct. It doesn't have a double negative. All right, you are ready to do your last Google form of the year.